Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share a stunning collection of handmade bridal hairpins, elegant bow, hair clip and beautiful hair accessories that are perfect for adding charm, elegance and personality to any hairstyle. If you love handcrafted fashion accessories or enjoy discovering unique design that stand out, then you are in the right place. Hair accessories are more than just decorative piece. They are a beautiful way to express your personal style. Whether you are getting ready for a wedding or birthday party, a festive celebration, a formal event, or simply want to make your everyday hairstyle look extra special, these handmade creations are sure to inspire you. Each hairpin and bow clip is carefully crafted with sparkling beads, pearls, crystals, ribbons, embroidery, and fine detailing. Make every piece one of a kind. In this video, you will discover a variety of creative designs from delicate and minimalist style to luxurious statement piece. Whether you prefer classic elegance, modern fashion, or cute and playful accessories, there's something here for everyone. These beautiful handmade hair accessories also make it thoughtful gift for girls, women, bridesmaids, and anyone who appreciates handmade craftsmanship and creativity. If you are passionate about DIY fashion, handmade crafts, embroidery, beading, or simply accessories, this collection will give you plenty of fresh ideas, inspiration for your next look or project. We truly hope you enjoy every design featured in this video. If you do, please support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with your family and friends, and subscribing for more handmade fashion ideas, embroidery designs, beauty accessories, and creative craft inspiration. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you will never miss our latest uploads. Now sit back, relax, and let's explore these gorgeous handmade beaded hairpins, bow hair clips, and elegant hair accessories together. Happy watching. Bye.